name is Carmen, and today I'd like to introduce you to a few simple ideas to decorate for Easter spring, and just with some of the accessories you already have at home and a few dollar items and a few items from Hobby Lobby. So hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to give me your big thumbs up at the end and register for my channel. Okay, so this is a lantern that I have, and if you remember, I decorated it for Christmas. So now again I can use it for Easter or spring. And you will also need one of these dollar wreaths. You would need your pliers, glue gun, scissors, wire or a twisty, some ribbon, some greenery bush from Hobby Lobby, and this one you can get for $2.50 on sale. And I happen to have this really pretty vine, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one. And first I'm going to show you how to do it for bright colors, and then I'm going to move on to the pastels. Alright, there is choice number one. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for you how to do a more springy one. Alright, now it's time to work on the pastel colors. And I brought these Easter eggs at Hobby Lobby, $2.50 on sale. And again, we're going to use the same wreath. We're going to use the dollar ribbon with the lace, burlap with the lace, some of the greenery from that same bush again. And I also bought these at the dollar store. They come in these colors or these colors. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of these because it's a soft colors, just like the pastels, and some of the greenery from the leaves. Okay, so we are going to get started by, now again I'm doing this really quick to show you, and then you can go ahead and take your time and glue it. So we wrap around . Now, isn't that lovely? You can just distribute the Easter eggs however you want. If you want, you can add more greenery on the wreath with the leaves. Okay, but I like it like that, nice and simple and elegant. Okay, this is idea number 2. If you remember my white picture, I've used it for Christmas and Thanksgiving. And I found these cute little tulips at the dollar store, so I went ahead and grabbed 2, but if you want to grab 3 of them to make it more fuller, I think that would be perfect. And you're going to place it in there and give it that nice springy look. If you want, you can always crunch up some newspaper and put it on the bottom just to raise them up a little. And this beautiful ribbon from Hobby Lobby, $2.50 on sale. Okay, for this one I'm using my dish container. I've used it on my Valentine coffee station, so if you haven't seen that, you can go and look for it. And after I placed some moss in there, I went ahead and placed some of my Easter eggs. I have some ribbon that goes really nice with those colors. I'm going to be placing it in the kitchen, so I have this little container, and what I did is I grabbed some of these little flowers. They're very tiny, but I thought they're perfect, the color and everything. So, and I have some leaves. You can grab leaves from anywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on the ribbon. And I also have this container. I thought it would make a cute little base for it. Sets it more on display. And there you have it. Wasn't that fun?